Hey guys, I'm Kat and this is Kat's Garden. No, that's bad. No. Hey guys, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Kat's Garden. I think that's better. Anyway, guys, so I'm actually in this group or whatever. I think it's called like Metro Atlanta House Plants or something. I'm so wrong. I'm gonna put the proper name in the down below, up above, around, whatever. But nonetheless, in the group, I think his name is Thomas. I'm probably saying this wrong too. Anyway, guys, one fellow plant friend in the group who I never met, but thank you. I know you're probably not watching, but nonetheless, he posted that Pike's nursery had Philodendron Micans, which is this plant right here. Philodendron Micans. They had these, my manifestation board in the back, please excuse that. But they had the Philodendron Micans for I think like $4.95 or $5 and some change or whatever. I think it's $4 something, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. But I called because there's 2 Pikes nearby me, well actually 3, and the closest one, and the lady was like, we literally just got them in. She is so sweet. I don't know if I can record when I get there or record her. Probably won't, that's weird, but she was the sweetest. Pikes, if you're listening to this, she is such a sweet, like she's sweet. I haven't even met her yet, and she was literally hands-on, very informative, very sweet, all the above. But anyway, so what ended up happening is the fact that Pikes, they just got their shipments. Some of my fellow friends have mentioned that Pike nearby, they're getting in within the next couple of weeks, but mine's lucked up and got them today. So guess where we're going? You already know. Okay. So I'm at Pikes. I was way too afraid to record or whatever, and I did not ask them if I could record. So what I did was purchase my 2 Micans, and guys, I was right. They were only $5.99. The Philodendron Micans. They were only $5.99, and I got 2. I had to, guys, because I'll tell you the story about the Philodendron Micans later. But look how full they are! Like, you gotta be kidding me! Yes. So yeah, guys, this is it. So yeah, I know that. Okay, so why am I talking with my mask on? I'm in the car. It is hot. I know you can tell that I'm sweaty already. It's super hot. So I got my Philodendron Micans. I'm super excited. Simply because, child, I've been wanting the Philodendron Micans for so long. They are so easy to propagate. The one Philodendron Mican that I have, I already propagated it. So that one is doing pretty good right now, but I really seriously just wanted 2 more of my very own, because the one that I have, I'm going to start selling that one soon. Yeah, guys, I'm so happy. Like, I really want to go back in there and just record, because this store looks a little bit bigger than my other store that I normally go to. They only have 3 left. Literally only have 3 left, and I literally just called this girl, we'll call the Pikes, and Faith. She's so sweet. Oh my god. Maybe like 10 minutes ago or what have you, and it took me 10 minutes or so to get here or whatever. Yeah, when I got here, they only had a couple of them left, like only a little bit left, and I'm like, you gotta be kidding me, you gotta be kidding me. So I looked up. Yeah, like, I'll be back, guys, but thank you so much for watching. I'll give you guys a proper closure later, because there's a lady to the left of me, and I know she's watching me because I see her in the corner of my eye, and I always have a phobia now of people watching me, because the last person that watched me when I was at Home Depot ended up stealing something from me, but I'll tell you that story later. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll go ahead and give you a proper closure next time. Bye. Yeah. Okay, so this is literally the wall above my bed, and there's a scripture from John chapter 14 verse 1, and it's actually not my favorite scripture from the Bible. My favorite book in the Bible is Psalms. We're not going to go there. And it says, do not let your hearts be troubled, trust in God. And that's the scripture I have on my wall, just in case if you are wondering what's that on the wall. Went to my local Dollar Tree and purchased these cute little wicked baskets. I actually need more than just 2, but if I continued to keep shopping in Dollar Tree, I was going to get more than what I needed. And that's not what we are on. We are on a budget. So I only needed 2 for this project, okay? Baskets. The measurements are 9 inches, which is 22.9 centimeters, if you're just wondering. Yeah. I purchased these hooks. It holds up to 1 pound each, so that's 2 pounds for each basket, because I'm going to put 2 hooks on each basket. So what I'm going to do is put a basket on each side of the seam, if that makes sense. So what I'm doing right now, guys, is simply trying to measure how high or low I want the baskets, or actually just where I want the baskets, to be honest with you. I'm trying to see exactly which side would be the best side. Again, how low or how high I want my baskets to pretty much stick on the wall. I just couldn't make up my mind. I actually called one of my kids in to help me line them up correctly and to see if it was leveled instead of one being higher than the other or whatever like that. So anyway, I'm grabbing a nearby sharp object to like slightly mark the wall a little bit. I'll clean it later. No, I won't. But anyway, I'm just gonna make a little slide marking on the wall so I can place the baskets there. Then of course I have my hooks again that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do again is try to find the mark that I did earlier. So basically I'm going to hook the hooks on the bottom of the basket already and then remove the adhesive cover or whatever like that. So I'm showing you there. Again, I'm placing the hooks in the basket already, so that way it's just I could just plop it on there all together. If that make any type of sense. Oh my god, guys, my bad. I am such a terrible teacher right now, but yeah. The idea or the look I was going for. So I placed my Philodendron Micans inside of the baskets there, and my camera is trying to focus and is not doing a good job. All right, so here it is, guys, the finished product, and that's what it looks like. I am going to cut the labels, the tags off, because that is so tacky. Here it is, the finished product. Please excuse the dogs in the background. They never want me to be great, but here it is, the idea I was going for. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! I hope that's a good view there. Whoop-de-doo. So in the future, it's going to trail down onto my bed, and that's what I want. Alright guys, thanks a bunch. Bye!